Can you see other viewers on Facebook story? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see that can we see other viewers on our Facebook story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Facebook app and go to your stories and open up the story, and I'm gonna open viewers, and here it shows others, and beside it it shows one. But if I tap on it and slide it right or left, it doesn't show who are the viewers of the story, because the problem is that we cannot see other viewers on the Facebook story if our story's privacy setting is set to public. We can only see the number of people who have viewed it. We cannot see other people's because they aren't our friends, and Facebook has decided to keep this information private. So as of right now, there is no option on the Facebook app that you can see who are these other peoples. So next time if you want to see who viewed your story and not the others, here tap on here on the privacy in the top left, and if it's set to public, tap on friends, or you can also select custom people. So I'm gonna tap on your friend just to show you, and next time your Facebook story will be only seen by the people who are your friends and not any other random peoples. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.